Thank you for joining us today here at FocalPoint Software. What we're going to be going over today is the re-rent option within the FocalPoint system. So if a customer calls in and says they need a 120-foot boom for a week, we can come up here and we can search. So if I look, you can see right here is a 120-foot boom. Right now it's on rent, but I do have the option of re-renting these. So I call my local vendor, they tell me that they've got one available. I can go ahead and click on it and fulfill this order. So they're going to tell me what the hours of that unit are going out. Then I can come over here and select my customer. When I select my customer and go ahead and process this as an order, because we're going to do it right now, we can do that. Then we can come right here to the detail. When you're in the detail tab, you can click on this and you're able to change the name here, the description of whatever you would like. And then if you wanted to go ahead and add the unit number to it, you can as well. Then you can go to the advanced tab. This is what you're currently going to charge your customers. You can see the re-rent over here. This is what your re-rent customer is going to charge you. So here is going to be $900. Then we're going to change this to $3,200. And then we're going to change that week to $9,000. So we can set all that up to where we know that this is what this particular vendor is going to charge us for this re-rental item. So I can hit save. Now you can see how the name has changed. Your unit number is there, and then there's the amount that you're going to be being billed to the customer. So that is taken care of. You've created this re-rent. You're going to go over and pick it up, do everything of that nature. It is saved. It's just going to tell you that you're overbooking it. And then if you come back here to your search screen, now you have the ability to see that you have one 120-foot boom on rent. But then if you look at your re-rented 120-foot booms, it will tell you how many of those that you have on rent. And right now we just have one. If you would right click on this, it will give you the ability to look at your open orders and see all open orders that you have for re-rents underneath that particular item as well. Now, one other great thing about this too is you can go into our report section. You can come up here and we have different reports based on what you're looking for. But if you look at the equipment by re-rent and you come in here, now what you can look at is you can see here that this is the vendor that you've got it from. This is the 120-foot boom. You can see what your vendor's charges are and what you are billing to the customer as well. So it makes it nice for you to make sure that you are being profitable on all your re-rents that you have out at this particular point in time. I hope you liked this video about the re-rent option within the FocalPoint system. If you have any questions, please reach out to customer support here at FocalPoint Software, or you can reach out to sales. We'll be more than happy to help you with any questions or any concerns that you might have about the FocalPoint system. Thank you very much, and you have a great day.